Welcome to AccessVA, a solution for accessing VA's online services. Click your category to see available applications you can sign in with. Veteran, family member, service member, VA business partner, VA employee, or authorized contractor. AVA. The Department of Veteran Affairs handles internet-based inquiries via the AskVA, AVA, the application used by Contact Us on the VA homepage. This is a secure system used by veterans and other persons communicating with VA to ask questions, pay a compliment, voice a compliment, make a suggestion, check on claims or appeal status, or voice any other concern to the department by electronic means on the web. Inquiries are routed to VBA regional offices, the Education Department for GI Bill Inquiry, National Cemetery Administration, VA medical centers, and other VA organizations for response by email, telephone, or U.S. mail. Your IT. Welcome to the VA Your IT service. This page is dedicated to Your IT self-service account management. For issues or problems with password reset, please contact the ESD Help Desk at 855-673-4357. VHIC Self-Service. The VHIC self-service application was created to allow veterans to request a replacement Veterans Health Identification Card (VHIC) without having to visit their local facilities, offering them convenience and safety, limiting exposure to COVID-19. This application is streamlined for veterans to request a replacement card online when no changes to existing data are required. For veterans requiring edits to existing information, such as address, name, or picture, a visit to the local VA facility will still be required. Beneficiary Travel Self-Service System, BTSSS, or BTS3. Beneficiary Travel Self-Service System, BTSSS, replaces the existing legacy BT module with a modern cloud-based dynamic 365 solution. This solution provides an intuitive interface for claimants such as veterans and caregivers to submit and track their beneficiary travel claims. The BTS3 system provides a more veteran-focused experience for beneficiary travel reimbursements, allowing claimants to submit and track travel claims at their convenience. The BTS3 system also provides capabilities for beneficiaries to receive payments by electronic funds transfer and help to eliminate fraud, waste, and abuse. Veterans Identification Card, VIC. On July 20th, 2015, the President signed into law Veterans Identification Card Act of 2015, Public Law PL 114-31, which amended Chapter 57 of Title 38, United States Code to require that the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, issue an identification card to veterans that request a card and present a DD 214 or other document that validates service in the military, naval, or air services in the armed forces of the United States. Veterans can use this VIC with participating vendors in lieu of their DD 214. The VIC provides portable and secure alternative proof of service for veterans with honorable service who didn't retire from the military. Veterans Identification Card, VIC. On July 20th, 2015, the President signed into law Veterans Identification Card Act of 2015, Public Law PL 114-31, which amended Chapter 57 of Title 38, United States Code to require that the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, issue an identification card to veterans that request a card and present a DD 214 or other document that validates service in the military, naval, or air services in the armed forces of the United States. Veterans can use this VIC with participating vendors in lieu of their DD 214. The VIC provides portable and secure alternative proof of service for veterans with honorable service who didn't retire from the military. Veterans Exposure Team, Health Outcomes Military Exposures, Vet-Home. Vet Home is a centralized intake center in eastern Colorado. The intake center will schedule telehealth registry exams and respond to exposure-related questions from veterans and clinicians. A geographically distributed network of 40 clinicians specially trained in military environmental exposures to perform telehealth registry exams and consultations. Veterans needing in-person examinations and additional diagnostic studies such as labs, imaging, breathing tests, and specialty consultations will be offered these services at VA facilities closest to their location. VA Loan Electronic Reporting Interface Reengineering, VALERI-R. Valerie is a web-based system that supports VA employees and services, also servicers, and is vital to overseeing and servicing all of the VA guaranteed loans. VA Salesforce, SQUARES. SQUARES is an application that allows qualified homeless service providers to query the VA regarding veteran status and eligibility of homeless individuals for purpose of facilitating access to veterans homeless programs. Homeless service organizations that receive grant funding from the VA homeless program, GPD, SSVF, and CERS guarantees are automatically authorized to access SQUARES. Other homeless service organizations may sign agreements with VA to be granted access. Contact squaresadmin@va.gov for more details.